think, Gabe? Do you think she'll like it?
God, this is so cool.
Oh,
I like
that's
I got
pretty.
it at Ross, but brand new is 100.
it. I know.
That's
And
so
open
pretty.
It. There's
Yeah.
another present
Oh,
inside.
really nice. I don't have bags here. It goes with all the shades.
It's for like sugar and stuff. So you have
Oh,
something
that's
outside,
so
something
pretty.
inside, and something to wear.
You're the superstar. Another one. After I'm done with here, I can give you another one. Okay, well, how about... Dude, look at Grandma. You're so handsome. What do you think of your new haircut?
Great!
It's great?
Can I open it?
Yeah, you can open it. Do you need help? Can you do it? You're so good getting your haircut. Are you figuring it out?
Yeah. I do need a little help, please.
Okay. Uh-huh. Wow, what is it?
A truck.
Let's see it.
I can't get it.
Coming out?
Not coming out.
Uh-huh. You got it. Hurry, let's see.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Who is Grandma the worker? Is Grandma working and helping you? And then how come you don't want to be the worker? What did you want to do?
Eat.
Just eat your snacks?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we're going to go clean your room and you're going to help, okay?
I'm not gonna help.
Oh yeah, you are going to help.
I'm not.
Oh yes, you are.
I am.
Yes, you are. How are you getting the door open? I don't even know what to say. You naughty hens and duck. What are we gonna do? No, this way. What are we gonna do with the goats? What are we gonna do with them?
Pet them.
Yes, but what else? Tell me.
What is this for?
Gabe, what else are we gonna do?
Feed them.
We're gonna try, huh? Right, Josephine? Josephine earned a green cookie. How's Bo today? So cute. We're gonna say hi to Sandy.
Hi, Sammy.
What's Sandy doing today?
She's
eating.
Hi. Wet.
Can you say Bo?
Bo is wet.
He's trying to eat you. Give him a leaf. Grab a leaf. Try to. You want to see if he'll eat a leaf? Grab one.
Oh, you're eating it?
She's on hot seat. Ow. No, she's a.
Did little bit, Gabe. Yeah, there you go. That's perfect. Come on.
He doesn't like this.
I know. I think he will. It's a boy.
It's not a boy.
It is.
It is a boy.
It's a girl.
No, that one's a boy. His name is Bo.
He's really pretty though.
Do you feel his little
Ow.
cute little horns on his head?
You want?
Can you feel them?
Ah.
Good job.
Aw.
So sweet.
She has gray eyes.
I know. Aren't they beautiful?
Huh. The other ones are cooking.
Okay. It's okay, baby. Come on.